Hey everyone, again, just a reminder, I am gone today for curriculum writing, so just gonna do the notes on this video for you so we can stay on schedule with the business plan. So something to keep in mind is the business plan is basically a sales pitch. Everything that you do um, in your plan, sorry, is giving reasons on your decisions. So again, if you are looking to um, get a bank loan, you need to prove to the loan officer that you have everything researched and the reason you made these decisions are because of this. So for example, um, when you are explaining your location, notice that there are three reasons, okay, why this person chose to put their diner on the corner of University and 19th Avenue North. So the three reasons, it's an intersection of two major local traffic routes. So obviously University and 19th Avenue. It endures tremendous exposure to travelers attending both college and Fargo Dome events. So your target market just isn't college kids, it's anybody that would go to um, the Fargo Dome, not just NDSU students. And then also it's in close proximity to NDSU because they are your target market. So others outside of your target market, you would also hit because of the additional events at the Dome. Okay, so part three, this is 3A. And just like the second part or part two, this part should be about 3 pages for all the different sections. So the first one, 3A, proposed product and service. So in this section, you will tell me details about your products or services that you will sell. Again, be detailed. If you are in and out, don't just say you sell hamburgers, because I know there's more options than just hamburgers at In and Out. So be detailed in this. Identify potential suppliers for your goods and equipment. So basically, if you are a restaurant, let's say you're Applebee's, okay, or something similar, obviously, where are you going to get your food from? So you're going to have to do some research on vendors in Fargo Moorhead for your products that you are going to sell. You also need to describe how you will manage your inventory. You need to tell me how much and what you will keep on hand, and then also tell me how you are going to track what is being sold. So some businesses have inventory trackers that just automatically would reorder things once that particular product got to a certain number. Again, depending on your business, everyone is going to manage and keep track of your inventory a little differently. So you need to do some research on what are your options depending on what your business is and what kind of products you are selling. Again, the things in red are what I'm going to look for as I go through your project. Those are what are listed in the rubric. Today, or you'll have the rest of today to work on this, and then also tomorrow in class. And reminder, I will be gone again tomorrow. Mrs. Jensen will be there on Thursday and Friday.